This is a little tour of the garden. Some hanging baskets I grew from seed. Comfrey plants I got from eBay. Green manure. Bags of potatoes. As you can see, they've grown quite big. Had our first harvest today. Over there is a blueberry bush and alpine strawberries growing a little bit late in the season. Cherokee Trail of Tears beans growing, and here we have some purple sprouting broccoli and sorrel ready to plant out. Remains of the first harvest of the potatoes. Strawberries, Marin de Bois, French variety. Apparently they're very popular in France, and they combine the flavour of the alpine with the size of the normal. And I think although they came as bare-rooted plants this year, you can see flowers and the beginnings of little tiny fruit there. Flowers and fruit there forming, so we may have fruit this year. This fence here is, right up to the fence are raspberries, early, mid and late season, with brambles at the end by the Pustinia prayer hut. But in front of them are the tomatoes. These are Russian tomatoes, two varieties, Urbicani and Lata, and the idea is that they sort of ripen earlier than some of the other tomatoes that you get. They're all along here. There's a nice little bunch there, isn't there? Some more over here ripening away. And then over this side I've got two pots of the tumbling toms. So then at the end is the Pustinia, the prayer hut, and I've just started these Cherokee Trail of Tears beans here, some garlic. Here we've got some white courgettes growing, and butternut squash someone gave me down there. And on this raised bed, this is the beans raised bed, you can see some nice broad beans growing, dwarf varieties and other varieties. And here we've got coriander, which has kind of grown over, I suppose, a bit. We've got lettuces. This is some more raspberries that I've got to transplant when I've cleared the brambles, which are over there. It takes quite a long time to clear those because the soil is clay. And then here we've got some lovely big beetroot. Perhaps I can pull one aside so you can see the size of the beetroot. More lettuce and carrots growing. And then here are the carrots, and I think you can see one quite big here growing just down there. You can see the size of it there. And then there's more, there's the sort of little fruit bushes here. So you've got blackcurrant, raspberry, got a blueberry there with a mulch of fir tree, pine needles on it, raspberry mulling, promise, gooseberry, things like that. And then so that's the view down there towards the Pustinia with the two raised beds. And then this side of the garden, past the apple tree, is the rhubarb patch, looking a bit overgrown with